Floods in Assam deteriorated on Friday after showing some signs of improvement. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority said in a report that over 3 lakh people of 32 revenue circles were now affected by the deluge. 8 people have also been killed in landslides in Arunachal Pradesh, and a flood alert has been issued there as well. Ratnadeep joining us with the latest from both those states. What are we hearing, Ratnadeep?
That's right. In fact, nature's fury is back in the northeast, and at least 3 states in the region are facing heavy rains for the past 3 days. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. In fact, the Met Department has predicted more rains for the region, which is not a good news given the fact that there is already a spike in the COVID-19 cases. In fact, in Assam, after the flood situation actually improved last week, again, it has deteriorated slightly with the Brahmaputra actually flowing above danger level in several places. So are its tributaries. In fact, 3.4 lakh people are already affected once again, and lower Assam region like Barpeta, Bongaigaon, Chirang are affected this time. Also, the flood-prone areas in Upper Assam like Dhemaji, and in neighboring Arunachal Pradesh, already 8 people have died yesterday in 2 massive landslides, including an 8-year-old infant. So tragic news really coming in from Arunachal Pradesh. In fact, all the day in the past 48 hours, particularly in state capital Itanagar and the adjoining areas which makes the capital complex region, there have been several landslides, several houses have been damaged, roads have been washed away, and in fact vehicles and other properties have been submerged in landslide. That's what we are hearing from official sources. Also, the low-lying areas in Arunachal Pradesh, particularly Namsai and Pasighat, are experiencing flash floods. In fact, in the past 48 hours, there have been several people who have been rescued from the deadly deluge of the floods, particularly with the Siang River flowing above danger level, which actually goes into Assam and becomes the Brahmaputra, one of the main contributory river to the Brahmaputra. So, in a larger area there is floods and landslides, and in fact the Central Water Commission has also issued fresh flood alerts for these 2 states. So, things are not really looking good, but the state government in Arunachal Pradesh says that all measures have been taken. In fact, people are being evacuated even as we speak. In fact, on 10th of July, we did play out those dramatic visuals of 2 people being rescued with the help of a rope by the emergency services officials in Pasighat when the river suddenly swelled up with flood waters. So flash floods in Arunachal Pradesh, right, and return of the floods in Assam is not good news at a time when these areas are fighting with COVID-19 pandemic.
All right, Ratnadeep, thanks very much indeed for joining us with those details.